Hi everybody, it's Blingy Brooke. I'm going to show you how to make your own engravable pieces on the Premier Designs website today. So this is a tutorial and I'm going to flip the camera around and you are going to be able to do this on your own computer at home. So just follow along and pause when you need to pause, and you're going to create some awesome gifts for your loved ones and your friends. All right, let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to get on your browser, doesn't matter what, and you're going to type in www.blingybrooke.com, and you can go to any Premier Designs rep. It doesn't have to be me, but here's my little picture. This lets you know that you're on my website, and you go to Shop Now and then down to Engrave Me and click on Engrave Me. And the reason I want to show you guys how to do this is I am happy to do your engravable pieces for you and send you some options, but it's really fun to get on here and do it yourself and see all the different ways that you can make your gift super duper special. So this gives you all the options. There's 5 pages of engravable things, and men's, women's, charms, bracelets, necklaces, you name it. So over here you can filter. So if you think you know if you want silver or gold, you can click one of these. If you know that you want to do a bracelet, you could click on bracelets or necklaces, rings, and then down here you can also, if you have a price that you want to stay under, you could do it that way. So they give you a lot of ways to kind of narrow down your options. So today I'm going to show you, I'm going to make my daughter a bracelet because she's working at a summer camp this summer, and I think she would love to have something to remember what a great summer that it is going to be. So I know she likes silver. Choose silver. I heard someone said that they made a key for your kids that are going off to college. You could put your house number on it and give it to them and say, "You always have a home with us." Doesn't that make you cry? So sweet. I want to do a bracelet, so I'm going to choose bracelet, and I want to do one of these because these are really cute and hip for the younger kids, and I know that she'd like the blue, so I'm going to choose that one. And the price that you see on the website is the price that it is. It's not going to say and an extra $25 for personalization. So there's the piece that I want. I'm going to click over here on personalize, and it's going to shoot you to this work page, and here's where the fun begins. So I'm going to type in, I'm going to do text first. So I'm going to type in the name of her camp, and I want to do all caps because it's initials of her camp. I want to change the font to any font. It doesn't matter. You can go through the list and find what you like. I kind of like this one. It looks a little rustic. So now this red line is a border. You don't want to go past that border. You want to center it, or you just want to keep it inside that border. So I'm going to increase the size of my text. Big, but see now it's going outside the border. But actually, I'm going to drag these in a little bit. They're getting out. And then I'm going to bring it down here and make sure I keep it centered. But see how I'm barely inside the border? That means it's as big as it can get. That's it. And with this font, you can't bold it. So I'm just going to leave it alone. Okay, so then I'm going to choose up here is icons. So that's text. Now we're going to go to icons. And I think there's over, 475 icons to be exact. And you can go through and pick all these different things. I'm going to choose the outdoor because these are so cute for camping. Oh my goodness. And I know she loves stars and moons and things like that. So I'm going to drag it. Now if you wanted to, circle it around, do whatever you want to, you can change it. But I'm going to put it right there. And then this is a faith-based camp, so I'm going to put a little cross on there too, I think. I like that one. I'm going to put that over here. And make sure that I think it can go a little bit bigger. I can make it smaller or bigger, but I want it to stay inside those lines. Okay, now if I didn't want that, I could click on it, and you see this little garbage can? You can just hit garbage can and it throws it away. Now, if you feel like you do not have the artistic eye to do this, then feel free to call me, make one, and then put it in your shopping cart and then say, hey, Brooke, can you look at it and make sure that it's all lined up, because I want it to be perfect. Because I want it to be perfect for you too. So now, if you go down here and click this blue button, it says show boundary, but if you unclick it, then it shows you what it's going to look like. Like, that is what it's going to look like. So I feel like, because I'm kind of a nut about this, that this space is a lot bigger than that space. So I'm going to put this back on there. And down here you can say show grid. And so now you can actually see the difference in the spacing. And I am going to move this over. Now my CPBC is not going to be exactly centered, but I would rather have this space equal than have this centered. So that's just me. You guys can make your own decisions, but I'm going to put that boundary back on there just to double check everything. And then I would say finish and review. And here's what's really important. On our engraved pieces, they cannot be returned or exchanged. Okay, so if there's a manufacturer's defect, they will guarantee it. So that's for a lifetime. If something happens, if it breaks beyond normal wear and tear, they will guarantee it and give you the original price and replace it for you. But they do not exchange or return personalized pieces. They just can't, because they can't put them back in inventory. They're special for you. So you got to double check. So this is what it's going to look like. I love it. I think she's going to love it. And then again, they're saying just double check everything. If you want to do 2 of them, if you're making a graduation gift and you want to give them to 5 of your daughter's friends, or if you want to do bridesmaids gifts and you want to do 9 of the same thing, you just go boop, 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 and add more to the list. Okay? Add to bag. It's going to put them in my shopping cart. It's going to give me some suggestions for other pieces. You can continue shopping or you can check out. So I'm going to continue shopping because one piece is not enough. But please let me know if you have any questions. I hope that you guys can have fun with this. You can get on it and just try it, and don't put anything in a shopping cart. It doesn't matter. Just get on there and see what you can make. Anyway, I hope this helps, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.